Multiply 6.5 by 165 using long multiplication. For now, ignore the decimal points. Start with the rightmost digit of the bottom factor, 5. 5 times 5 is 25. Put 5 in this column and carry 2. 5 times 6 plus the carried 2 is 32. The first partial product is 325. Now use the next digit to the left, 6. Start one place to the left. 6 times 5 is 30. Put 0 in this column and carry 3. 6 times 6 plus the carried 3 is 39. The second partial product is 3,900. Now use the next digit to the left, 1. Start two places to the left. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 6 is 6. The third partial product is 6,500. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 5 plus 0 is 5. In the tens column, 2 plus 0 is 2. In the hundreds column, 3 plus 9 plus 5 is 17. Put 7 in this column and carry 1. In the thousands column, 3 plus 6 plus the carried 1 is 10. Put 0 in this column and carry 1. In the 10,000s column, the carried 1 is 1. The product of the whole numbers is 10,725. Count the highlighted digit after each decimal point. The factors have one decimal place altogether, so the product needs one decimal place. Place the decimal point one place from the right. 10,725 becomes 1,072.5. So 6.5 times 165 is 1,072.5.